Hey guys, welcome back. So next gen foldable smartphones by Samsung is already in the works, where this time the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will bring a stronger display glass. We also got more news regarding the display panels and some updates on the launch month of these devices. Now before we begin, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. The Galaxy Z Flip and Z Fold series have been so popular that they have made Samsung the undisputed king in the foldable smartphone category in 2021. Taking things forward, Samsung is expected to launch the next generation Galaxy Z Fold device, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, this year. But it seems like this won't be easier for them. Many other brands like Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus and even Google are also working on their own version of foldable phones. So this time, things won't be that easy for Samsung. We have seen Oppo's first gen foldable phone got so much appreciation for its form factor in comparison to the Z Fold 3. And according to recent report, Oppo's Find-N has also exceeded the expected sales in China. But at the end, it's all good for the end consumer. If competition increases for Samsung, we may likely see more affordable and cheaper Galaxy Z Fold series. So with the upcoming foldable phone, Samsung is working on more durable solution for the inner display so that using the S Pen on the display surface will feel even more stronger than the previous Z Fold 3. Now the thing is, we all know that Z Fold 4 will have a dedicated slot for the S Pen, which will again increase the productivity of the device even more. The Z Fold 3 had the S Pen feature, but users have to buy the stylus, which led people to spend more money on it. But this time, Samsung will use a super ultra thin glass for the bigger display so that it can give more smoother experience. A lot of people are expected to use the stylus on the next gen foldable smartphone. This is why Samsung will introduce this latest technology in the upcoming months. Talking about the display, then we may not see any changes in terms of screen size compared to its predecessor. However, a Twitter user says that both the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 will get the second gen LTPO display panels, which can go 1Hz to 120Hz depending on the content being displayed. Moving on, according to some recent reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 may have a bigger battery size this time, but failed to mention by exactly how much. However, you can expect around 4800 mAh to 5000 mAh battery, where the good part is the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will use EMR controller to attach the digitizer to the display. This means the integrated S Pen will no longer need a battery of its own. It'll work perfectly without any battery. It'll also allow Samsung to shrink down the S Pen and make some space for bigger battery on the Z Fold 4. All this means even we have a bigger battery this year, the S Pen will not reduce the juice, which could have lowered the screen on time. Now coming to the launch month, according to a leaker, Samsung is expected to launch these devices in the same month as last year, means August 2022, where the company may introduce the next gen Galaxy Buds with some cool new features. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts upon the Z Fold 4 in the comment section. If you end up liking this information, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.